Let's jump right into this one. We got the brake lever replacement. It's going to be nice and quick. These are adjustable, so we're going to get those on there. Plus, they look better. We have 10 millimeter on top and 10 millimeter on the bottom of this one. So we'll spin this bolt out. Once you get that nut off, you can move those brake cables out of your way. Spin the 10 millimeter off of the top. Then at this point, the lever will be freed up. You can pop it right off, grab your new lever, and then just remember how it's orientated. You're going to put it right in the same exact way. It should fit right in there, nice and easy. So new lever, everything matches up. Now you do want to put grease on the wear parts, anywhere where it's going to be rotating. So when you pull on that brake lever and it's pulling back, in that area right there, you want to get some grease in there. You also want to put a little bit of grease on the top part of the bolt. You're going to see above the threads there's a little smooth area where it is going to rotate around. Put a little bit of grease on there. Once you get that done, pop it back in, and easy money from here. You're just going to screw that top in, and you can't press it all the way in. You do have to screw it in. I'm pretty sure there's threads on that top half. So once you get that screwed in, get that bolt on the bottom, spin that in. I'm only using that 10 millimeter wrench up there just to hold that top bolt in place. Sorry about the camera angle, but we just tighten that up. Job is done.